Welcome back to Techmirror, the channel where we explore the latest and greatest in home technology and smart appliances. If you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our in-depth reviews. Today we are taking a deep dive into a kitchen gadget that has been making waves for ice lovers everywhere. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker with an impressive 38-pound daily production capacity. This is not an average ice maker. It is packed with smart features, a sleek design, and the promise of delivering the legendary chewable nugget ice right in your own home. Let us begin. Built on the belief that modern life needs modern solutions, GE Profile appliances are designed to make daily life simpler with smart home integration and innovative features. The Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker is a perfect example of this philosophy. With its elegant design, high-quality engineering, and advanced technology, it produces ice that is highly sought after for its texture and taste. Whether you are hosting a party, preparing cocktails, or simply enjoy the satisfying crunch of nugget ice, this machine is designed to keep you supplied throughout the day. When you unbox the Opal 2.0, you will find the ice maker itself, a removable ice bin, and a convenient ice scoop. The build quality is solid, and from the moment you remove it from the packaging, it feels like a premium appliance. GE has kept the included accessories minimal, choosing instead to focus on making the main unit versatile and efficient. One of the most notable features is the chewable ice texture. Traditional hard cubes can be tough on teeth and do not retain flavor well, but nugget ice is soft, airy, and able to absorb the taste of your beverage. This makes it ideal for cocktails, sodas, iced coffee, or even a simple glass of water. For anyone who has enjoyed nugget ice from a restaurant and wanted to replicate that experience at home, this machine makes it possible. The intuitive LED display provides both style and function. It lights up when in use and darkens when idle, giving the machine a modern and refined appearance. The controls are easy to understand and allow you to manage ice production with accuracy and simplicity. Speed is a major advantage of the Opal 2.0. It can produce its first batch of ice in 10 minutes or less. With a production rate of up to 1.6 pounds of ice per hour, it is designed to keep up with demand during busy gatherings or daily use. You will not have to wait long to enjoy fresh nugget ice. The Opal 2.0 can produce up to 38 pounds of ice in a single day and can hold up to 3 pounds in its bin at one time. For most households, this is more than enough to keep drinks chilled and guests satisfied without constant refilling. The optional side tank is a practical addition. It removes the need for a continuous external water source and allows for up to 3 times more ice production. It can be detached easily for cleaning, which makes it both functional and user-friendly. GE has focused on delivering not only quantity, but also quality. The Opal 2.0 features a sophisticated filtration system for the lower water reservoir, ensuring that your ice is crisp, clean, and free from unwanted tastes. Using the compatible filter accessory can further improve the purity and flavor of each batch. The nugget ice produced is formed from compacted flakes, giving it a chewable texture that holds flavor exceptionally well. Unlike standard ice cubes that can dilute a beverage, nugget ice enhances the overall drinking experience. Whether you use it for iced lattes in the morning or refreshing cocktails in the evening, the consistency and quality of the ice remain high. The batch ice making system prevents clumping by recirculating any melted ice water back into the reservoir. This ensures that the ice you get is always fresh. The automatic refill function means that you will have ice available whenever you need it without any manual intervention. The built-in Wi-Fi feature allows you to connect the Opal 2.0 to the SmartHQ app. Through the app, you can monitor production, schedule fresh ice batches, and receive software updates with the latest features. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant adds even greater convenience, enabling you to start ice production with a simple voice command from anywhere in your home. Cleaning an ice maker can be a challenge, but GE has simplified the process with an advanced cleaning system. This system helps sanitize the interior, preventing mold and mildew, while also removing mineral scale buildup. When used regularly, it ensures that your ice tastes fresh and that the machine continues to perform at its best. It is important to note that the Opal 2.0 does not refrigerate ice once it is made. Over time, the ice in the bin will melt and drain, making space for new batches. This design choice ensures that you always have freshly made ice instead of old stored ice. For even greater cleanliness, the Opal 2.0 can be paired with the Opal Cleaning Kit and used with its built-in ultraviolet light. This combination helps reduce bacteria and keeps the interior in excellent condition, which is especially beneficial for those who use the machine daily. Customer feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. One customer shared that the machine easily keeps up with their family of 6, as well as with guests, calling it possibly the best appliance they have ever purchased. Another reviewer praised its reliability and speed, mentioning that they always have ice available and recommending that the ice be stirred daily for best results. The Opal 2.0 produces high-quality Nugget ice at home with fast production speed, generous capacity, and advanced smart features. The chewable texture, effective filtration system, and automatic refill make it a pleasure to use. The optional side tank and voice control features further enhance the experience. The primary drawback is that the machine does not refrigerate the finished ice, which means that it will melt if left unused for long periods. Additionally, while the cleaning system is very effective, occasional deep cleaning will still be necessary for long-term performance. The GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker is a premium appliance for those who value the best possible beverage experience. If you enjoy Nugget Ice and want the convenience of having it readily available at home, this is one of the top choices on the market today. With its modern design, smart controls, and exceptional ice quality, it offers an excellent balance of style, performance, and convenience. This concludes our in-depth review of the GE Profile Opal 2.0 Nugget Ice Maker. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who appreciates high-quality kitchen technology. Remember to subscribe to Techmirror for more detailed and honest reviews of the latest appliances and gadgets. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.